Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you on how to easily view tags on your posts on Facebook. Keeping track of tags can help you monitor how you're being mentioned and engage with others on the platform. Let's dive into the steps. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android device. This will take you to the Facebook home screen, where you can connect with friends, browse content, and manage your account. Next, tap on your profile picture to access your profile. This will lead you to your personal profile page where you can view your posts and activity. Now, locate the 3 dots under your name on your profile. Tap on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options and settings. From the drop-down menu, select Review Posts and Tags. This will direct you to a section where you can review posts you're tagged in and manage your tags on Facebook. Once you're in the Review Posts and Tags section, navigate to Review Tags on your posts in. Here, you can find tags that others have added to your posts and review them accordingly. Under this section, you can easily locate and manage tags on your posts. This allows you to control how you're tagged and ensure that you're aware of the content you're associated with on Facebook. By following these simple steps, you can effectively view and manage tags on your posts on Facebook. Stay informed about how you're being tagged and engage with your friends and followers thoughtfully. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial helps you navigate tags on Facebook with ease. Stay tuned for more informative content and tips.